You can tell I don't use power tools much. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house. Today we're going to be installing the all-new replacement air filter on our 2021 Bronco. This is from Whipple Superchargers. It's an oiled filter, higher flowing, less restrictive. It's got a velocity stack on it, and it's actually very easy to install. So let me show you how it's done. This is very easy to do, guys. Flathead screwdriver. You've got this little push pin right here. We're going to remove it like this, lift that up. That's going to be able to remove the air dam. Got that off there. Now we have 4 T30 Torx bolts located here on the air lid. We're going to loosen those all up and pull off the lid of the air intake system, which will be able to give us access to the filter. This is a pretty nifty tool, I'll tell you that. There's 2, number 3. And number 4. Now this one is real close to the actual fender well over here, so I'm going to be real careful not to scratch anything up, put it in on a little bit of an angle. I actually used a small flathead screwdriver last time to do it, but... And off she goes. Look at that. Boom, done. All right. Factory air filter is right here. You can see it's a paper filter, so we're going to replace it with that high flow one from Whipple. How do we remove it? Just like that, gone. Get this thing out of here. The next step will be installing the Whipple filter into the air box. It fits the same way that the factory one does. It actually butts up to this little area right over here that holds it in place. There is actually no clamp on it or anything like that, no coupler for it. Just slide it on in, press it into place, and it'll lock in. Give it a little love. There we go. Boom. Just like that. And you're done. It was that easy. We're just going to put the air lid back on, tighten up those Torx bits and that push pin, and we're done with the Whipple air filter. Now, this is actually the second piece to the Whipple Stage 1 kit. Since we're already tuned by Whipple with their Tomahawk flash device and their calibration, their air filter would be the second part of the Stage 1, and the only thing that we're waiting on is the intercooler. So let's go, Dustin. The Bronco guys want to see it. Let's do it. Woo! Boom. So easy. Caveman or the Mustang King could do it. You guys can do this anywhere. I mean, out in the field, in your driveway, in your shop, wherever you want. It's that easy. Really is. The all-new replacement air filter for your 21 and up Bronco from Whipple Supercharger is $79.95 and available here at lethalperformance.com. Feel free to reach out. 561-753-8105, and we'll be glad to help you out. There you go, that seals the deal there. Sounds like my Manscaped. Nope, that's not how you do it. See, it's not that easy. Oh, it's locked. Oh, there we go. You can tell I don't use power tools much.